Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by identifying the lock type and clearing immediate obstructions. This matters because internal fasteners vary. Once done, put on safety glasses and lay a rag under the work area to catch small parts. Insert a paperclip or small flat tool into the optional release hole on the knob face if present. If there's a visible set screw under a collar, loosen it with an appropriate screwdriver. Make sure to note which screws come from where. Organization speeds reassembly. You now focus on the middle steps where alignment and steady hands matter. First, hold the opposite knob stationary to keep the spindle from turning, then loosen the set screw fully and pull the knob straight off. Once removed, pry the trim or rose off by sliding a flat tool between trim and door, working evenly to avoid paint or finish damage. After the rose is removed, grasp the spindle and slide it out of the latch. Keep screws and trim parts in a single container for later. You finish by extracting the latch assembly and resolving common snags. Unscrew the two faceplate screws and pull the latch straight out. If it resists, rotate the spindle slightly while pulling to align internal components. For stubborn latches, tap the latch body gently with a hammer on a wooden block to avoid damage. Once removed, inspect strike plate and replace worn parts if needed. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Make sure to test the lock several times before tightening all screws.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.